welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new project named as BlockDAG Crypto most anticipated pre-sale just hit the global stage. BlockDAG goes live on Binance from roadmap revelation to Genesis Day secret. Everything changes this Friday at 3 p.m. UTC. So you can see I will share the details here, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So here you can see Binance Road to Listing Live AMA. This video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice, so do your own research before going on it. So Binance AMA goes live on 25 at 3 p.m. UTC. The Binance Live AMA connects BlockDAG with one of the world's largest crypto audience, hosted in the real time, featuring core team members. Inside updates and audience questions set the tone for the final phase before a public launch. So Binance massive platform means they have the global legitimacy and the spotlight. So it is the time where you can go and buy it, or you can get to it, you can get that opportunity so that you can be able to achieve more in forward. So their time are given, which is just 21 hours. So you can see their pre-sale is live. You can buy it from here, and first code TGE, you can use that code from here. So I will just go back and share again. TG and gain priority at launch, like you can buy price 0.0015. so it is given here the TGE code. You can use that for that. Furthermore, you can see they have X1 hits. You can see their amount is given here, which is 3500k users. Connect your X1 and the X10, you can start on it, and you can see they have the keynote 4 which is coming on. So you can see it is all that the AMA and unveils post pre-sale plans like layer 1 blockchain development timeline, ecosystem expansion, wallet explorer, cross-chain bridges, and you can see for X series drive holders, you can see it here. The partnership announcement is also given on. So furthermore, I will share with you their details. You can see that all from here. So if I go their website, groundbreaking crypto pre-sale is now, you can see it is here. So it is the post pre-sale plans which is going here. They have also a breaking crypto pre-sale of 2025. As I was sharing the AMA post pre-sale plan, they have layer 1 blockchain, a development timeline, ecosystem expansion, wallet explorer, cross-chain bridges, and many more. You can see you can join the BlockDAG crypto pre-sale 25, engage with the project and see your contribution grow to new height. You can see already 430.01 million raised, so you can join the pre-sale. I will open that link. I will share that link with you, how you can buy. I will share that one too. You can see furthermore they have a security. You can see it is internal audit and also the external one, so it is safe and secure. They have also the referral program. You can see top exchange listing like BlockDAG is officially confirmed for launch on major global exchange, where including the MEXC, the Albank, XT, CoinStore, Bitmart, and many plus 15 more tier 1 and the US exchange. You can see you can get X1 Mine app. You can download it on the Apple or also on the mobile Play Store. What is BlockDAG? Basically, now I want that to share with you. The BlockDAG is represent a transformative leap in the blockchain technology. It is not just another innovation. It is basically the vision of decentralized future where transactions are fast, secure, and accessible to everyone. So you can go and read all the details from here. BlockDAG committed to breaking the barriers, making blockchain more efficient and environment sustainable. They have by emerging Bitcoin securities and all that. You can see all about from here. It's powered by their core attributes, which are lightning fast. They will go for the fasting, decentralized, secure, EVM compatibility, and drag and drop innovation fee structure. You can see that they have a main thing which is given here, the attribute which is more on it. So you can see the strong team, the number of things like they have already raised for 30.01 million raised. They have holders which is given here 312k plus holders and counting, growing by 1000 plus daily. They have given here the miners and also 3 million plus users on their app which is X1. You can go for it and check it all here. They have the watch keynote, I will share that details. Furthermore, they have also the media partners, and you can see the others videos so that you can more get to know. I will share with you about their keynotes and also their sale here. So if I go further, you have to connect it with your wallet. For purchase, you have to select connect wallet. You can go for the wallet. So I will just connect wallet and go for the MetaMask as it is installed there. See, the further thing I will share with you is about their you can see details. They push the limits, they push the chain. The story of the blockchain does not start at minute, it start here. Like they can see, you can see the details about that which is given here. So if I share with you about the release of the testnet, you can see it here. They have coming soon with the final testnet boards and the protocol upgrades, and also you can see the development of that. You can see there. Furthermore, I want to share with you about the keynotes, the main thing about that. Coming soon the final keynote in BlockDAG, and you can see the launch note. Keynote 4 will be shared, testnet benchmark and all that. You can see the videos of the keynotes and you can share it. The fourth keynote which is given here, you can see the third and the fourth one which will be release date is given here. So you can see all that details from that, and the testnet 2025 projection, exchange listing roadmap, and the AMA drops exclusive hint about what's coming out. So furthermore, if I want to share with you the other details about that, I already shared with you that how to connect it, how to buy block. You can see that coins initiate which is given here. You can see the buying coin, and the step 1 is you have to connect the wallet, and step 2 is you can connect wallet with the appropriate option like wallet connect, and you have to buy ETH BNB. You can buy a BlockDAG with ETH or BNB, that anyone you want, and you can see the other details furthermore. So you can see it here. They have given here about the blocks which they have given ING price prediction, like you can see on the BlockDAG which is given here. You can even see more blogs about that is given, like you can see Bitcoin token BGB price broadcast is also given here. You can see they have the AMA drives urgency, chances they the final pre-sale milestone before the token generation event. So if I go here, they have the over 425 million raise. They have also written about the, you can see news, BlockDAG to reach $1 in 2026. So you can see, I will share with you about the Twitter. So AMA drives emergency for Genesis, the final pre-sale milestone time is running out. The AMA makes the clear Binance is equal to the credibility plus audience reach. Driver, you can see they deliver the global exposure. So it is also the point. You can see the Binance AMA live. They have the roadmap which have the transparency like trust building ahead of launch. Genesis Day focus on FOMO and time and sensitive call. You can see they have the keynote continuity, strength, BlockDAG, cinematic. You can see storytelling approach and also the investor confidence. So together these narrative pillars position BlockDAG as a fully formed project entering the global phase with the transparency, ambition, and the strategic clarity. You can see mark your calendars. BlockDAG goes live on Binance on, you can see Friday at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. UTC time as I share with you. So just an AMA, it's pre-sale final, a countdown, a roadmap unlock, and a first glimpse into the keynote. For do not just watch history, be in it. Join the AMA, climb the leaderboard, and get ready for Genesis Day. The clock is ticking here. So it is all about that video. If you like it, give thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments.